I'm going to be replacing this external air vent. This vent is an open duct located on the outside of the home. Blocking a fresh air intake can lead to a lot of problems. Should I have cleaned this out sooner? Oh, absolutely. So I have gathered all the tools that I need to complete this repair. A scraper tool, box cutter or a sharp blade, cloth or a rag, caulking gun, a new vent cap or hood, and a hand drill. Before pulling, check for tabs or screws that might be connecting the cap to the aluminum tube, and I also did a quick feel for any obstructions near the entrance. For my installation, I had a slight modification to the unit. I only needed the cover part for this replacement, so I detached the aluminum tube and I cut off the tabs for a smooth fit since the previous cover did not have them. And for added durability, I also drilled in one screw. Since I was not able to find an exact replica of the original cover, I needed slightly longer screws to create a better fit for the new location of the drill holes. Because of the siding, there's gaps, and that's the part I'm just going to fill in with a little dab of silicone, just kind of seal that up before I do the rest. Someone suggested that I try an ice cube to smooth out the lines. Let me know what you think of this technique. Is this something that you would try? I definitely only use this on an exterior of my home, but also using your fingers is just as good as a towel. I have successfully replaced this old broken vent with a new one. It's holding up, it's doing its job. The vents are clear. I don't have any crack seals. Nothing is coming off of the siding. Everything is still intact. I think I'll probably come back in spring, take off the caulking and redo it with a nicer finish. I like a little clean look and a consistency. There's a lot of home maintenance that you can do yourself. And if you want to learn a little bit more about routine home maintenance, garden projects, check out some of these videos.